So I hooked back up the old LCD and driver board, and the light comes on. So that's good. It looks like the panel is cracked though, so that's definitely, we're not going to use that. Unfortunately this, or I guess fortunately that I didn't replace it for nothing, this LED board is dead. Although some LEDs still work on it. I think it's the ones in the middle are all dead, and the ones on the top and the bottom still work. I did find a small problem with the one panel that does work. If I can get the camera to focus right there, please. There you go. Maybe you've spotted it. There's a capacitor missing right there. And that's causing the voltage on the 2 pins closest there to drop. Or actually the 1 pin, it drops all the way down to 0, and then the other pin it drops to 5. So I'm going to probably take the component from there and then swap it over there, and hopefully that fixes it. Okay, so that wasn't the problem, but I think I found it here. This thing is apparently 1.5 amp 32 volt. This is a 19 volt line here that goes into it, and on this one, which is the dead LCD, there's 19 volts on either side of it. That goes in and feeds the inductor, which I believe this is a diode, goes into the stabilizing capacitors and then into the LEDs. On this one, there's 19 volts on this side and 5 volts on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and swap those, and I'm hoping that that'll fix it, because taking that capacitor and putting it over here didn't work. Okay, I figured I might as well set everything up and record this while the soldering iron was heating up. So we're taking this one from here and putting it on here. So let's wipe this one first. We'll do that with Ross and Flux. Keep that handy because we're going to need it again. And solder. Okay, so that's that. We have to be a little bit more careful with the other one. Let's get that off of there. Where's desoldering? There it is. Desoldering braid. And I need to, for some reason that's in a loop. Just going to clean this pad up so it's completely flat, like that. And we can put this aside. Oh, I touched the back of it. Oh well, I'll have to clean it again. Now we're going to do pretty much the same thing. Only this time we're going to try to move just one side off the pad first, so that we can keep polarity. One all the way off the pad. There we go. Keep this one close. So now we can grab it kind of, let's do this. That way we can come in like this. And just grab this. Crap. Okay, there's only two possible ways that it can go. One of them is right. No, I think I remember which way it went. The problem is being able to see it. I know. I can measure resistance. Okay. Does it have polarity? I'm pretty sure it does. If it doesn't, then it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to figure out what this is. I think it's a... I don't know, maybe it's a fuse? It's something that's controlling the input voltage, and I don't think it's a resistor, and I don't think it's, or I know it's not a capacitor. I don't know enough about electronics. I should probably go to school or something. Okay, now we're just going to make sure that this is absolutely on there straight and connected good. It looks connected good, but the soldering job is kind of horrible. So we're just gonna make sure that it's not as horrible. Or maybe not. Come on. Just add a little bit more here. It's not wanting to straighten out. There we go. Come on. There. Oh, no, it came off. Crap. Try to get the right angle on this. Don't think I need any more of that. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to put it back together and it should work. Fingers crossed. Okay, I got everything back hooked back up, and now for the moment of truth. Did it work? Is it? Yay! Everything looks good. No glitching when I messed with the connector. Okay, now just time to put it back together. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.